Alright, alright.
Wait, can't these make you throw up?
Yeah, they can make you throw up.
Oh, fuck.
Alright, everyone. We have the world's hottest pepper, the Carolina Reaper pepper. We got them from Lowe's grocery store. Hashtag not sponsored. Yet.
Yet.
Alright, and we got chocolate milk, just in case it's too spicy, which it will be. It will definitely be too spicy. Alright, everyone pick one.
Which one's the least spicy?
Probably this one, but it's the most.
Which one won't kill me?
Damn, these all look spicy.
Yeah.
I want to get a big one. I want to get a big one.
I'll get a little chode.
That's gonna be hotter.
Look at this one.
Yeah, dude.
No, this one's like really wrinkly. I think that's what they said. Like, if the wrinklier it is, the hotter it's gonna be.
So
Look at this.
is this one good?
It'll probably be really hot. But that's one that I already opened.
They're all
up.
gonna be hot, dude.
Get this one.
We're not gonna tell the difference
Let's
anyway.
get this one.
Probably not.
No, this one.
This one, dude. This is like the wrinkliest.
They're all.
I'll eat this one then. I'll eat this one. The wrinkliest.
Mine's pretty.
I'm trying to get in two different cameras.
Mine looks like a shriveled scrotum.
Any money, fuck. Get the little baby one.
Alright, pussy.
Dude, that's probably gonna be the hottest one. The smaller they are, the hotter they are.
Alright, just do it all in one bite.
Stick the
The whole
stems
thing?
out of here.
Alright.
I'm so nervous. Let's just open up this milk.
Yeah.
Just to get that ready real quick.
Chocolate milk.
Yeah, I already showed him.
Alright, so
Bro.
you gotta swallow it?
Yeah, just you have to chew it up and then swallow it. You have to chew it up. You can't just swallow it in one
I
bite.
can't swallow this whole.
Yeah, I'd probably
Who do
like
you think I
burn
am?
you. Holy fuck. Alright.
God
Are you
damn.
really eating that little tiny one?
Don't be pussy.
I am poopy.
Don't be pussy.
I am
Don't
pussy.
be pussy.
Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh fuck. It's burning.
Dude, give me them up. Don't be pussy.
I'm gonna go and I'm gonna be the last one to drink the milk.
I'm not gonna drink milk. Fuck you.
I already drank the milk.
I'm out. Poos.
Oh my god, oh my god.
It's getting worse. Oh, I won. Hell yeah. I'm not gonna drink milk because I'm not.
Oh my god, it didn't even help. I regret this. It's burning my ear.
It's burning my ears, dude. Holy shit. It burns so fucking bad.
Oh my god, it feels my nose, my nose is running.
My eyes are watering. I'm sweating. Don't be poos.
I am puss.
Fuck.
I think I ate mine too fast, to be honest.
I haven't drinking any, dude.
Dude, get some.
No, I'm not. Don't be puss. It burns now. Oh god, it's going down.
Ready for round 2.
No!
What do you guys think?
This is pretty fucking gay.
What do you think, August?
I'm literally I don't want to talk, it hurts.
Dude, my eyes are fucking watering.
It makes it hurt more.
Dude, like it hurts down here.
It gets worse. Never do this.
Don't be puss. Y'all a bunch of bitches. I didn't drink no milk.
I'm just gonna get some regular milk.
Successfully succeeded without drinking milk.
Let's continue without August. I got myself the little pussy one, and I don't think I'd be doing my duty to you guys as a YouTuber if I didn't have a second one. Holy shit, not that one. Not that one though, not that one.
My dude drank the smallest one. Ate the smallest one.
Shut up.
Fuck off.
I only chewed it like twice though. Is it like the smaller ones are the hottest?
Yeah, and the more wrinkly.
So like the longer, least wrinkly one will be better.
Starting to burn again. Go for it, dude. He's about to eat a big one.
I'm about to eat a different one. Did you get more milk?
It hit my stomach. Has it gotten to your stomach yet?
No.
Can you feel it like in your stomach?
Yeah.
You have taste buds in your stomach? Okay.
All right. So, I can feel it in my stomach.
Bottoms up.
And I've never actually eaten anything that's that spicy. Like, very spicy.
You just ate another one.
Oh my god, you fucking retard.
Have some of your milk.
I feel like that milk actually works better, but...
Have some of your
Dude,
milk.
what the hell?
Yeah.
Oh, that was so much worse than the first one.
Lucas.
He ate a big one. Oh, this worked way better.
Yeah, I know. It does, but...
Actual milk works better.
Do I have to pour it in a cup?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Oh, never mind.
I'm probably because this is colder. Oh my god.
No, it's actual milk. Oh. Did you nut on yourself? Jesus, August, calm yourself down.
You can just drink it from the thing.
Dude, like the side that I cheated on burns more.
I like switched it in my mouth, dude.
Why'd you do that?
Oh. Oh my god. Why did we think this would be... we better get a ton of views.
Dude, I'm gonna be so mad.
Give me some of that, give me some of that.
I'm gonna like
My
throw up
lips
from this
burning
milk.
now.
Ah!
Bruh.
Yeah, too much milk.
How much milk did you eat?
Oh my god.
Shit, dude. Oh, you gotta drink from the chocolate milk again. Step in the milk.
I just threw up. Show him. Holy fuck.
Oh yeah.
My lips starting to burn now.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to clean that. Oh,
Pass me the milk.
Hold up. Oh, there it is. Nice.
Also, these make you throw up if you not.
Let me see it. Let me fuck. I'm drinking way too much milk. I only chew
No,
the.
dude, it takes like a gallon to make you throw up.
I only chewed the first one like a little bit.
It takes like a gallon to make you throw up. Oh shit! Did you just throw up pepper?
oh my god.
It's gonna burn.
It's worse the second time.
You look terrible. Don't step in the ground.
Oh, you got on my foot.
You cock.
I can't drink any more milk, dude. I'm gonna throw up. There's August. How did you enjoy it? But how did you enjoy it?
I didn't. You can lick this butter if you want. I've licked it too, but
I honestly don't want to.
yeah,
like,
it doesn't actually help. It just makes you throw up more.
the thought of licking butter is gonna make me throw up.
You know, we should be throwing up outside.
We probably should have done this outside.
Ah.
Oh, do you have some mini braces?
It's sucking his braces. You good?
Oh, there's still some in there.
Oh my god, no. Don't eat it.
Yeah, I'll tell you if you get it. Oh yeah. Sweet.
Oh.
Oh my god. I feel. You look like you've been sick for like a month.
I think it's
sick for like a month.
I think it's getting better.
How are you so? I don't know. I chewed it like 4 or 5 times.
I chewed by like twice, dude. I am deaf.
Don't be poos.
I am puss.
eyes are red. I mean,
Yo, I really don't know like how like I think it's just your braces are like that too. And then Lucas just poos.
Oh my god, that was terrible.
All right, just don't lean over because I just almost threw up.
Dude, imagine taking this shit.
Oh my! Have you seen the one where they do 11?
Of these?
Yeah.
Hell no, dude. I'd die.
Make it rain.
It's on the roof of my mouth mostly.
I'm getting better.
Oh my god.
Only girls have taste buds on the roof of their mouth.
Really? Yeah. I didn't even know they had. I didn't know you could.
You know,